Hey, Daddy, maybe this
Rock
one.
and roll.
This looks good for stockings inside.
Napugos. What's this? Para sa tag $1 ani diri tanan. Tag $1. Now na to ni. Sudlanan og asa man ni? Sabaw. Party, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday ugma ni Alicia, so mangita ta og happy birthday. Ang kalo. Maybe kami. Happy birthday. What's this? Blanket. Blanket. Happy.
Come on.
Happy birthday banner. Sa pamandire. Sakare, are you doing?
Looking for you.
Litter banner litters.
Let's look for Christmas gifts. Dude, it's not even Halloween.
Banner litter. It's litter banner and litters. Happy birthday, Alicia. It's Alicia's birthday tomorrow. So we're gonna do this.
Wait, tomorrow we're going to go to her house. We should
You
bring
think
this.
so?
We should bring this.
Maybe this one. I think this one is fun. Happy birthday, Alicia. This one. Which one? Sakari, which one is cute? This one or that one there?
That one.
This one?
Yeah, mommy.
Mat-
Mommy, look, remember this guy?
Yeah, I know. Where's daddy?
I lost him.
Where's daddy?
I don't know.
Okay. What? What are you?
I'm a good YouTuber. Get me.
I don't grab it. Don't. What are you?
A good YouTuber. No,
Just don't grab it. Just say it first.
I'm a good YouTuber.
Okay.
Thanks. Looking at the floor. Some people are on YouTube. Some people are on YouTube. Dada, say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the blog. Abog ka may kabuti. Look at this. Oh, like this. Look up there. Look there. I don't know.
Why do you have her phone?
I'm blogging. Happy ano? Tabala to sa about tayo. Ice cream. Okay, come in. And Okay, you're far away.
Yes.
Okay. Hello. Why? I'm a good vlogger, said Mom. Like an elf on the shelf. Elf on the shelf. Buy cheaper. Elf on the shelf.
You don't shake that.
Sorry.
That's enough.
Oh.
I'm done.
Come on.
Oh, can you watch this stuff here?